Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyuade from Octozi School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve their craft. In this video, I will be showing you the making of this. Here is I have a full episode of this, how to make this from beginning to this point. This is what I will be showing you. In this video, this particular episode, I'm going to be showing you how we're able to draft this, how we draft this, how we're able to transform the drafting to a ready to use pattern. That's what I'm going to be showing you right now. So you want to see how we drew this out, how we get a ready to use pattern of this that you can use and which you can also apply to different styles of shoe. Then this filming is for you. Don't forget, I have a full course of this on my platform at School of Shoemaking. There's a link in the description of it. A full course of it is available on my platform, but need to just give you a bit of it to let you know that this is possible. So you want to make this, you like what you've seen, then come with me to see how I drafted the pattern out, how I was able to use the sketching to get the full ready to use pattern out right now. To get my design sketch on the last, here's what I'm going to be needing, and to wrap it up, I'm going to be using this to do some cutting off it. So here is what I need. To start with now, I start with marking the last round. We'll start this way. Okay, we have this now. Marks round, you can see, fully marks round. So what we're going to do now is to now start. Okay, that has been centralized, same as this. Okay, I've done for these two. You can get to use your tape too, this way. That's a straight edge. Only if you clean it up. Okay. Okay, this is okay this way. Now we have a multi stripes in here, multiple line. You can even get the clear view of the one we have to use in here. So to have a single straight line out, what we'll be doing is that you come in here and then come trace out with a pen, trying to balance this with this. Okay. Okay. Here it has been balanced. So all we're going to do is we have in here can have an average of, can see, come and adjust this. Every adjustment you need to do is, the best thing is for you to do it when you're still using pencil. When it comes to time, you need to mark the multi stripes out. You will not be able to correct again. So any correction you feel you need to do, this is the high time you need to do it, which I'm doing right now. Okay. At this point we get the frame out. The frame is out. So for you to understand what is in here clearly, I'll come over and mark it out with my pen. I'm going to mark it out with the pen. So now we have 8. A sample project. So we are having this. Idea of what we want there. Okay. All this marked out. I'll come in here, do the same thing here. Then connect this. Okay, at this point we got this out. Get this out and get our hole. Okay, we have this, 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 we have this. Okay, we have this right now, and the side here, you can see the side view is looking at the same thing you have on screen. Same thing you have on screen. So the next thing we need to do now is to then trace the valve out, the front valve in here. We then need to trace it out.
remember we've not really get this, the straight leather that we have in here. We are done at it. We've been able to draft it, sketch it, get it visible on last. At the first glance, we've been able to know that this, what we have on screen, is what we have in here. So what is the next thing we need to do right now is to proceed to using this to cut the pattern out. In there. Okay, in here, like this. Doing that, tracing the line out. This is the stitching line, and then at this point, looking at the sneakers you have on screen, up in here, the leather was cut straight. So there's no allowance that's going to come in here. The leather is a thick leather that comes just once. So there's no stitching allowance in here. So this is out. Yeah. Balancing it this way down. Okay. Yes, I have this right now. This cut out. So what we're gonna be doing in the right now is to come over and then put this place my punch. Okay, so each line now showing what we want out. Now here is the stitching allowance, here is the stitching line, here is the tacking line here, and this goes straight to the sole. To do that, after we've been able to get this out, the next thing we'll be doing now is to come over, getting up to this point. Here it is, and I have to get it folded this way. Okay, folding up this way, connecting line like this. Okay, so it's going to come, it's not becoming the same way it was coming before. You now extend straight up and connect it back to this line. Okay, and then come in here and get it off. So getting this now, what we just need to do is to then come over this way. You can come, cut it out. Okay, look at this now. The wrap coming up from here. Looking at this, looks very big at some point, but coming here, the first thing is that the 4 inches first match up with this line. After I match up with the line, come over, and when we have it lace, you can then come like this. Underneath it, could then come like, okay, I come here and take this. Okay, we have this now. So like this. So whenever we're done marking this come in here and this get placed like this on it. We get it placed this way on it, and the front wrap will then come like that. So here you can see coming here right now, fits. It fits. While it fits, now we can then come over, lay a bit of pressure on it. It fits. As time is fitting, I come on this same hole to make my hose. Right now here are the hose. Place for the hose. Okay, we're done with it, and we have this right now. We're done with it. The next thing we'll be doing is just to go to use this pattern we got out to go cut our leathers out.
Thank you so much for watching this time. Hope you like what you've seen. If you like it, give us a thumbs up for it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. While you subscribe, click on the notification bell for you to get an update on our subsequent upload of the remaining episode of this project. Don't forget, I have a focus of this on our platform, and there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there. This is going to navigate to where you can have a wonderful crafting experience. I'm Sunday Oyewale, and look forward to see you in the next film.